Trading of YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about the simple intraday setup for Nifty for 9th of May 2022. So we have observed a kind of a sideways market on this Friday, and how we can now trade for the Monday. So if we see here this range of 360 to 440, I'll be preferring to avoid to take any trade in this range. And if we see the SGX Nifty, so SGX Nifty is showing kind of a 56-point gap down at this moment, considering the global market which traded and closed on Friday. So let's see. We will discuss about first about the buy trade. So this 440 is a kind of a flip level for intraday. Above this, it will be having a kind of a bullish sentiment. Above this, it will be having a kind of a bearish sentiment. But if it is trading above 16,500, then it will be having a proper bullish intraday sentiment for the Monday. So let's see if it is opening in this range somewhere as a 56-point gap down or something in this range. Then it is coming up and giving the breakout of this 440. We will keep the stop loss of that just below the low of that candle, and we'll take the buy trade. First target 500, then 545, and I will prefer to book profit at 545 and 500 in this range, because the market can be immediately sold off, which will be like sell on rise. So I will book the profit at 500 and 545, and then if let's say if it is a sustaining above this 545, then we will keep the stop loss of this low of this candle, which is giving the breakout, and then we will aim for the target 585, then 620. At 620 I will be preferring to book most of the profit, and then we can aim for 660. So this could be the second scenario to take the buy trade. And let's say if it is having the good bullish sentiment on Monday, then we will take a small scalp trade from 660 breakout till maximum range of 720 to 740. But please remember, here the risk reward for the buy trade is a bit of less, so we will take the trade with less quantity for this range. And now let's think that if it is opening up and going down, and in worst case if it is coming till here 175 to 195 range, this is the support zone. And if it is giving like a fake breakdown and then coming up with the green candle, so if it is making the green candle with a lower wick below this, then we will keep a bit of a few points below our stop loss, and we will enter into the CE. It will be considered as a kind of a counter trade. And then because all the trend for the Nifty is a bit downtrend, it is keep on falling and falling since last few days, so we are going against the trend, so that's why we are considering as a counter trade. So we will take the first target 225, then 295, 320 and 360. So we will max to max. If you are taking the buy trade from this support range, then we will keep till 320 to 360, not more than that. And I will be not preferring to take any buy trade even if it is coming here and going up. So as a safe trader, I'm avoiding to take any buy trade if it is taking support and bounce, because at 440 it will be rejecting. Hope for the buy trade it is clear. Now let's talk about the sell trade, PE trade. Let's say if it is opening here, going up, but it is same like here, like making a bottom wick and then making the green candle on the 5 minute. So here if it is going up and then rejecting and making a red candle wick above this, so we will keep the high of this candle a bit few points above the high of this red candle as our stop loss, and take the PE if it is closing below 440 with the red candle. And then we will aim for the 360. Here we will book most of the profit, because as I told you, like it can bounce. So here we will book the profit, and if it is sustaining below this and giving the breakdown of 360, then we will again take the new PE trade, targeting first quick as a 320, then 295. Here we will book most of the profit, and we will keep the remaining we will keep the remaining position by trailing the stop loss from the high of this to here, and then we will aim for this target, and then we will aim for this range. So we have to book all the profit once it is coming or touching this range, no matter what happens next. As per our trade setup, we will exit all the position here. And let's say if it is breaking down this support range here, but here the risk reward, same like here, is less for the PE trade. So we will keep small quantity and take the bread and butter trade on this breakdown. We will keep the ultimate target of 130 and then bonus target as 16,095. Let's say if it is a bullish and it is able or managed to reach till 720 level, like almost a 300 plus point up move. But if it is failing to sustain above it and faces the resistance and making any 5-minute red candle, then we will go into the sell trade with the stop loss just below this range, like 745 or 750. We can keep as a stop loss and aim for the target of 660, 620. Here we will book a bit of a partial profit. Here we can also book a partial profit. And once it is touches the 545, we will book most of the profit. And at 16,500, we will book all the profit. And we can play a small scalp trade on the breakdown of 16,500, aiming to 440 level, because if 440 start to work as a support, it can bounce quickly. So here we will play quick short trade. If you are able to do this quick short trade, then and then you can take. Otherwise, better to avoid. And if it is coming down and again giving the breakdown of 440, then the same trade setup that will work, like taking the short trade and aiming for the target. And here I already explained, like if it is again going down, so you can take the sell trade with all this level of target. Now I hope it was easy to understand. And if you like this video, do share with your friends and hit the like button and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also watch some of the trading videos that I have posted in my YouTube. There will be some strategy, and there is one strategy with the live market recording that I have made. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link of Telegram channel is in the description. Thank you for watching. All the best.